Hello everyone, good to see you on my channel. Welcome to my channel. I'll give you a delicious recipe. 1 leek. Finely chopping the leek. If there are those who don't like leeks, try this recipe. You'll love leeks. I put my chopped leeks in a bowl. 3 eggs. Breaking eggs on the leek. Mixing it nicely. If you do not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to follow new videos. Don't forget to be 1 potato. Grating potato. I put the potato in a deep bowl. Starch of potatoes. I wash beautifully. Drain the juice of the potato thoroughly with my hand, squeezing and filtering. I put it in a deep bowl. 1 pinch of dill. Finely chopping the dill. I put the dill in the pot. 1 pinch of parsley. I also cut the parsley. I'm curious about your comments about my video. Some cheddar cheese. I grate the cheese well. I added the cheese to the pot. A little salt. Some pepper. Some chili peppers. I also add the leek. With the egg, three heaping tablespoons of flour, one teaspoon baking soda, 5 grams. Mixing it nicely. From which country are you watching me? I would be very happy if you write. It is really exciting to watch from different countries. Putting the pan on fire. I add less vegetable oil. With the help of a spoonful after the oil is thoroughly fried. Material I prepared. I'm putting it in the pan. Can you write the comments about whether you like leek? I will make you love leek with this recipe. Definitely try it. A very simple and delicious recipe. Keep the oil coming all over. I fry it well by turning both sides. Those who watched the video so far are small. I would be very happy if they write 1 comment. At the same time, those who want to support me, I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. The leeks I roasted. The towel is on paper. To draw excess oil. I add oil to the pan on my second fry. Repeat the same process. The leek was delicious this way. You must try it too. Making the sauce. 2 tablespoons of strained yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon ketchup, very little dill. Finely chopping the dill. I added the dill to the yogurt, mixing it nicely. Try this sauce. It is delicious. I really love the easy and delicious recipes. I have many more beautiful recipes that I want to share with you. Our delicious meal is ready. Be sure to try the leek this way. You will never regret. You will thank me when you look at it. Now comes my favorite moment. I'm tasting it. It's really delicious. You guys must try it too. Taste this easy and delicious recipe. Bon appetit to those who will try. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Stay with love.